Our next eminent speaker is Councillor Keith Budden, the Chairman of East Hampshire Council, which is home to Hadiq al-Mahdi. Before his appointment as Chairman, Keith served his local community in numerous capacities, such as Vice Chairman of the East Hampshire District Council and the Chairman of List Parish Council for 4 years. As Chairman, Keith is supporting dementia-friendly Hampshire, which provides support for residents tackling dementia, and the crossover centres, a local charity making an incredible difference to young people in the village. Keith is a very good friend of the community and a supporter, and attended Masjid Mubarak inaugurations recently. I welcome him once again to come and say a few words.
Your Holiness, distinguished guests, it's a great honour to be invited here to Jalsa Salana to speak to you all, welcome you all to East Hampshire. I know you've all come from far and wide, but I was actually chatting to somebody this morning and realised that with all the number of you who are here, at the moment, your community here is actually the second largest town in East Hampshire. So I think it's great that you've achieved that over one weekend, so fantastic. What I really wanted to talk about today was about one of my charities in particular, which is the Crossover Centre, and the work that they do with young people. And I think whatever our community, whatever our faith, we all recognise that climate change is a real problem for the whole world. And indeed, as a council, we, a couple of weeks ago, passed a motion where we have declared that in East Hampshire, we have a climate emergency. And in response to that, the young people who go to the Crossover Centre composed a song, and they composed the whole song themselves, the words and the music. I was hoping to be able to show it to you on a video today, but can't do that. So instead, I'm going to read you the words. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing. But I just want to read you the words because I think from young people who've written this, I think it has such a powerful message for all of us. And I think it carries through on your message too, of love for all and hatred for none, which in itself, of course, is such a strong message. So what the children said was, this is an SOS from the kids. All the grown-ups take note of this. We're finding our voice, calling you out. You can't leave the world in fire and drought. This is an SOS from the kids. Please change the story, rewrite the plot. This beautiful earth cannot be lost. Stop hurting our planet like you don't care. There's only one world for us to share. This is an SOS from the kids. All the grown-ups take note of this. Wake up and see that you must make a change. The riches you seek will all be washed away. Please change the story, rewrite the plot. This beautiful earth cannot be lost. Stop hurting our planet like you don't care. There's only one world for us to share. Don't listen to the fat cats, they only want their cream, always needing oil for feeding their machines. We must care about the animals, care about the trees. I'll need help from you, you'll get help from me. Please change the story, rewrite the plot. This beautiful earth cannot be lost. Stop hurting our planet like you don't care. There's only one world for us to share. This is an SOS from the kids. You can do better than this. And I think that's such a powerful message that I hope we can all take away and do our bit, because if everyone here does one little bit towards making the environment a better place, we make a better planet, not just for us, but for our children and grandchildren who come after us. So if you take one message away from this afternoon, I hope it's that. Welcome to East Hampshire. It's great to be supporting the Ahmadi Muslim community once again, and thank you for inviting me to speak to you this afternoon.